Okay, we are going to solve a problem that is all about the counting based on the font color or based on the background color. So there is no typical formula in Microsoft Excel, but we can solve this through a macro. But that for that macro you have not to write in VBA. So let me demonstrate it you. Suppose we have these values A, B, D, and these are with different background color yellow. And you can see here six for this is showing the background color, and for GH we have different background color. Okay, and you can see here the count of these values that there are two colors, two count with green background and three for yellow background. Okay, let me change the color of this value. Select this cell, and if I change to this, okay, and if I edit it, enter 6, now you can see here we have 4 count of these background 4. And for this here we have different font colors and red and blue. Let me change the color of this font from, okay, yes, this. Okay, if I edit, enter, and now we have 55 different code color, and count of this font color is 2. Yes, 1 and 2. So how we can solve this actually? If you see here, there is a formula that is background. This is not a typical formula available in Microsoft Excel. How we have to prepare, create this formula? You have to go to the formula tab. Here we have the name manager. If you see here in the name manager, there is a background and font color, two values. For background, if you see here, we have Get.Cell. So Get.Cell is a formula, and 63. This is the outcome of this formula. Get.Cell will actually get the information about the cell or the properties of that cell, and 63 will show us what we want to see. 63 is will return the background color code. Okay, and sheet B7. So sheet B7, this is the cell we have selected, B7. And yes, so let us create a new one, new, and background 2. Okay, and is equal to get dot cell 63 comma, and I have to select the cell that is B7. And here you can see B, and we have anchored B and 7, so we have to anchor only the column, not the row, so we can drag it vertically. So F4, now B is anchored and 7 is free. Okay, and okay, close it. Here I will use the background to this one, enter, and result is 6. If I drag it down, okay, you can see a 6 for this one, 50 for this color, and 0, there is no background, no shade in the background. And to count, we can use the formula that is countif. Okay, and range is this one. Okay, uh, and F4 comma. Okay, now we have to mention the criteria. We can use two ways to count. One is if we simply enter 63, because sorry, 6, because we know that 6 is for yellow. Okay, and enter 4. Okay, and if for green we have 50, if I type here 50, enter, and 2 for this color. And if I copy it down, and from 50 if I change it to 6, so 4 for yellow and 2 for green. Similarly, we can solve for these font color. If we go to the formula tab, okay, and name manager, new, and I will type here uh, font color 2, okay, is equal to get dot cell. Okay, and the property we want to find 24, comma, and cell is this one, sorry, this one, okay, and F4, okay, so G7, and okay, close it, is equal to font color 2, okay, enter. The result is 3. 3 is for this red color, this code, okay, down. And we will use the same approach, that is the count if range, okay, F4. Now this time I will use another approach. Instead of typing it manually, I will make it dynamic. So what I will do, double quote is equal to double quote ampersand, and I will type here the font color 2. So what this font color 2 will do, this will actually find out the color of this font. So and so now it is dynamic, okay, enter. So 2, and if I copy this formula, sorry, undo, copy this formula and paste it below cell, here we have 2, okay. And let me change the color of this font, and if I okay, this one. But after updating the color, you have to refresh this again, okay. To refresh it, edit, enter, okay, and now you can see here we have 3 font. Okay, thank you.